Hi, it's Angie, and I thought I would show you how I store my Pandora ME collection. I have been collecting Pandora ME since it first came out in 2019, and I bought the original bracelet and a few micro dangles, and then I added the ruthenium bracelet, and then in this past release in 2022, I really got into the Pandora ME line of jewelry and kind of went crazy and ended up adding so much to my collection, I had to figure out a new way to store it. So as you can see, I have 3 layers of a stackers system. Instead of going with the classic set, I bought my layers individually so that they work for me and what I had to store. So let me show you how I store it. Okay, I'm going to start with the top layer, and as you can see, I have the nice pretty pink rose colored with the rose gold hardware, which is really pretty. And inside you can see there is room for 2 bracelets and some compartments and a charm bar, and then I have all these little charm holder circle areas that are perfect for the little micro dangles. So it works perfectly for my collection. So obviously you could stack bracelets in here, but I have plenty of room so that I can just have 1 bracelet per section. So in this one, I have the original bracelet. This is the one with the signature clasp that's round, and there are 3 links that open so you can add your micro charms. Just have one on there. And I have a few of these little stoppers, so sometimes I like to add them so that the dangle will stay in the center. And with this older bracelet, there was a little bit of an issue with sometimes the little link doesn't close tightly, like it stays sort of ajar like that. So using the little stoppers is like a little bit of insurance to make sure that the micro dangles don't fall off. So that's the original one. I keep that there. And then I also got the new version of the silver link bracelet. As you can see, the closure is a little bit different on this one, and it still has the links that open, 3 of them. And of course, you can add some of the new design elements or design accents onto this bracelet. So that's really fun. So that's the original, and then the newer version of the bracelet. And in this compartment, I have some rings. I have 2 of the pave ones, one in silver and one in black. And then I have the angel ring. I'm sure some people don't realize that's Pandora ME. And then a new acquisition, which is really actually an old piece from the original collection, is the little pin, which I just think is so cute, but I haven't worn that yet. And then of course, like I said, I have all my dangles in here. Unfortunately, they don't fit on the charm bar. They're too small. And I have quite a collection, some old, a few new ones, and they're a lot of fun to add to the bracelet. So that's layer 1. So the next layer I got is slightly different. Obviously, it's not a lid, but there is still room for 2 more bracelets. So on this side, I have the ruthenium Pandora ME, which has the same sort of closure as the new version of the bracelet. And of course, the 3 links that you can add design elements to. And then I recently picked up the slim Pandora ME because I really wanted this paper clip, and I just thought I could use this slim one to always keep the paper clip right on top and have that as the focal point. And this one comes with just the small links here and then 3 standard links at the top, one of which I have swapped out for the paper clip. So that's fun too, but the clasp is very tiny on this one, but it does have this little latch on the side, which makes it easier to open. So that goes there. And then in the front here, I have my old Pandora Essence, because if you didn't know, the Essence bracelets are the same size as the Pandora ME bracelets. In fact, this snake chain one with the signature clasp is exactly the same, and it does fit all the Essence charms and also the micro dangles. So Pandora ME kind of replaced Essence in a way, and they are sort of interchangeable with the Essence charms and of course the Pandora ME charms. So I just thought it made sense to store them together. Back in this compartment, I have the Pandora ME necklace, which is a new addition for me. I really like this one that has all the larger links, because then you can make it a choker or you can leave it long. And of course, it's completely customizable with all the design accents. You can switch them up with words or put the dangles on, the medallions on. So lots of fun with that one. this compartment is empty, so there's room to grow. So in the little side cubbies, I have links and words and things that you can add to the bracelet. Here are just some extra links that came out when I added like the paperclip or pave links. In this section, I just have one little circle design element that can be used to extend the size of a bracelet if you want. And then I have two little ring connectors, one in silver and one in Pandora Rose. And these can be used to either link your rings together, or you can use them to customize the size of your bracelets, as long as you don't put any stress on it because they're a little bit smaller. I have one set of the pave links in silver, which are really pretty with the CZs all over. I love those. Of course, I do have the paper clip on here. And then on this side, I have my words. So I have freedom and I have whatever. And then I have one silver medallion. And that is layer 2. Then in the third layer, which is exactly the same configuration as the second layer, I have my 14 karat gold plated Pandora ME bracelet with the little star and the pave links. And then I have one more little pillow over here, which I am hoping to add one day the Pandora ME in Pandora Rose. So that will be nice. I have a couple of extra links from where I put the pave links. And I have one 14 karat gold medallion, which is the snake. And then in all the other compartments, I have these really pretty Swarovski pearl additions. Now these are made by my friend Rita, who is at A Charmed Dreamer on Instagram and YouTube. So she makes these by hand using the pearls and then has the silver wire at the end so they can be attached to any of the Pandora ME bracelets. So it makes it really versatile. I have quite a few because I like all the options. She has the freshwater pearls and different colors of the pearls, and of course all these ones over here. And then she also made me some in rose gold and 14 karat gold. So they are a lot of fun and really expand the possibilities for your bracelets. And then she also made me these, which I can put on my Pandora ME earrings. I do have a pair of the earrings. They're not in the box because I do wear them all the time. So I need to put those in there too. And the little pearl ones. So they can go on the earrings. They can go on the bracelets. They're really sweet. And that is layer 3. So that is everything I have for my Pandora ME collection. I think this storage stacker system is absolutely perfect for me. Everything fits so nicely. And there's just that little bit of room to grow for the rose gold bracelet. So hopefully I'll be able to pick that up. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed seeing this, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.